The SI-T2 series 3-phase on-grid inverters by Inhenergy combine cutting-edge digital control and effective power conversion technology. They are here to ensure the smooth and productive operation of your solar arrays. Our advanced inverters provide power ranging from 4 to 12 kilowatts with 98.2% efficiency. Low startup voltage allows maximising the yield even in cloudy or inclement weather. All main operational parameters can be quickly and easily set up and checked. In addition, user-friendly desktop and mobile apps provide access to a real-time data feed. Conveniently, the performance data can be stored for up to 25 years on the integrated smart chip. With IP65 protection from dust and water ingress, the SI-T2 series offers flexibility for installation, whether indoors or outdoors. Extensive protection features include overcurrent, reverse polarity, overvoltage, surge, anti-islanding and others, ensuring smooth and hassle-free operation. These high-tech inverters have a transformerless and fanless design, offering a quiet indoor environment and long years of service. The durability of our inverters has been certified by various standards and backed by Inhenergy with a 5-year warranty. Inhenergy is a world-leading PV inverter and energy storage solutions manufacturer that can offer a comprehensive portfolio of small-size, lightweight and high-yield products, as well as cloud platform solutions for distributed PV systems.